Ok- Okay, so next topic natin, no, yung tinatawag nating uh, transfer pricing. So very important is the transfer pricing, particularly if it is a negotiated transfer price. Sa iba kasi, wala na problema. If it is market, yun na yun, no? Top price or markup price, yun na yun, no? Pero ang question sa CPE board exam, no? Yung tinatawag nating negotiated transfer price. Okay, sige. I'll share my screen. Okay. So what do you mean of transfer pricing? Okay, sige. I'll put blue naman. Blue. So ano bang ibig sabihin ng transfer pricing? Sabi ko nga kanina, no? In terms of the transfer pricing, kung may market value na yan, kung may market price, particularly for the transfer pricing, yan po yung pinakauna, no? So, siya yung pinakauna. Wala nang tayong pag-uusapan. Kung magkano yung market price of the transfer pricing, yan na po yan. Number two, yung mga cost plus markup, no? Just have the cost plus markup, no? Kung yan ay 50 pesos times 50%. 50 times 150%. Ganun kadali, no? Medyo madaming question dyan, class. Yung tinatawag nating negotiated transfer price. Okay. Ano ibig sabihin nito? Okay. Kasi I have here sample. Halimbawa, si San Miguel Corporation. Si SMC, may dalawa siyang subsidiaries, no? So, you have your San Miguel Brewery Incorporated, saka si Ginebra San Miguel. Okay? Yan. So, Ginebra and SMB. I work for San Miguel, di ba? Okay. San Miguel Beer, specifically. Halimbawa, si Ginebra San Miguel ay kailangan niya ng 2,000 alcohol, no? Meron siyang option. May option po siya, number one, pumunta sa third party. Ibig sabihin, pumunta sa labas. Sabihin natin, ang cost niya sa labas ay 18 pesos per volume of alcohol. And another one, may option siya na pumunta kay San Miguel Beer. Since ito po ay same company, pwede. They are the same company pero different subsidiary. So may option siya sa third party or kay SMB Incorporated. Kung siya'y pupunta kay San Miguel Incorporated, yan yung tinatawag nating negotiated transfer price. Ibig sabihin, si Ginebra. So, I'll focus more on this since we are talking of negotiated transfer price. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, si Ginebra ay magiging na siyang buying division. Tama? Yes. Halimbawa, may option naman na si SMB ay pwedeng magbenta kay Ginebra, siya na ay magiging selling division. Okay. Yan, tandaan na. Si SMB ay magiging selling division. Siya naman ay magiging buying division. Okay. So, ano yung formula natin? May formula po yan, no? In Ginebra San Miguel, the transfer price daw, no, should be less than or equal to the to the price of the third party or customer outside. Ibig sabihin, ang transfer price ng buying division ay equal lang or less than lang sa 18 pesos. Common sense. Siyempre, pag mataas yan sa 18 pesos, wag na. Kung mataas yan sa 18 or kung 18 pesos yan, ang option ko, pumunta na lang sa third party. Tama? Okay, yes. Kasi selling division naman, meron siyang halimbawa tinatawag na selling price na binibigay niya sa labas, let's say at 20 pesos, yung variable cost per unit niya ay 8 pesos, yung CM niya ay 12 pesos. So, halimbawa, yan yung normal niya, no? That would be their normal cycle, operating cycle, no? The selling price is 20, variable cost ay 8, and the CM is 12. So, ano class ang formula ni selling division? Ito po yung formula niya, ha? The transfer price should be greater than or equal to the variable cost per unit plus yung CM per unit to be multiplied by loss units kung if ever mayroong loss units divided by your total units transferred, no? To Ginebra. Tandaan po ang formula. I will give instances, situations, no? So number one muna, no? Halimbawa, si San Miguel as by a selling division and si Ginebra naman as a buying division. Okay? Halimbawa, 2,000 ang kailangan niyang alcohol. Si SMB naman ay may 4,000 capacity. Okay? Ibig sabihin, 4,000 ang kanyang ginagawa. Halimbawa, class, meron siyang uh, ito yung maximum. No? Let's say, ang kanyang normal, yung talagang ginagawa niya lagi, no, ay 2,000. O ibig sabihin, may excess pa siya na 2,000. So, pwede niyang ibigay kay Ginebra. Kasi kailangan ng 2,000 eh. Okay. Ano nga yung formula class kay Ginebra? Ang transfer price niya dapat ay hindi bababa or equal lang sa 18 pesos, which is a third party. Kasi kung tumaas yan sa 18 pesos or at 18 pesos man yan, sa labas na lang ako bibili. Gusto ko nga para makatipid, mas mababa sa 18. Gets? Hopefully, yes. How about kay SMB Incorporated? Ano ba yung transfer price niya? Dapat daw greater than or equal to the variable cost per unit plus your CM per unit to be multiplied by if may loss units tayo, if any, divided by units transferred to buying division, no? To buying division. Okay. Since our transfer price is variable cost per unit, magkano yung variable cost per unit normal? 'Di ba? 8 pesos. So ito ay 8 pesos plus magkano yung CM? 12 pesos. So ang CM mo ay 12 pesos. Do we have loss units? Wala, di ba? Kasi excess mo 2,000, pinagay mo yung excess mo kay Ginebra, 0. Magkano yung transferred mo kay buying division? All in all, 2,000 na units. Ito ay 12 pesos, ha? Malamang, wala na to. Kasi, yan ay, may 12 minus 0 is 0, divided by 2,000, cannot be. So, transfer price ni selling division ay greater than or equal to 8. Ito naman ay 18. May question. Meron po bang transfer price here? Okay. Class, I have here a row. This is the maximum, di ba? Usually ito yung mga nasa board exam. Maximum value and the minimum value. Alam niyo ba, class, ang maximum value, tandaan to, lagi po yan kay buying division. Kasi po, siya ang may kailangan. Ang minimum value, lagi po yan kay selling division. Ang sabi, sa buying division, may maximum is at 18. Sabi naman ng selling division, using this formula, ang minimum value na ay 8. May question. Mayroon po bang negotiated transfer price? Sabi ni buying, i-accept ko siya basta bababa or equal lang sa 18. Sabi naman ni selling division, i-accept ko siya if it is more than or equal to 8. Yes, mayroon. Oh, yes, there would be it negotiated transfer price in number 1 example with excess capacity. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, class, there would be a negotiated transfer price. O, halimbawa, nag-usap tayo magkapatid since magkapatid naman sila. Di ba? O, sige, meet halfway tayo. Halimbawa, negotiated transfer price is at, let's say, 14 pesos. Okay, o 12 na lang. O 12 na lang. Papayag ba sila? Yes. The negotiated transfer price is between 8 pesos to 18 pesos. 12 pesos class ang usapan nila. Halimbawa lang, no? O, papayag ba si SMB if 12 pesos? Yes. So, ang sabi niya, i-accept ko lang siya if it is more than or equal to 8. Okay? Sabi naman ni Hinebra, i-accept ko siya if it is less than or equal to 18. Okay? Hopefully, naintindihan ako. Number 2 tayo. What if, in number 2, no? SMB Incorporated, di ba kanina meron tayong 4,000 maximum capacity. Halimbawa, 3,000 ang kanyang normal capacity. Magkano excess na alcohol? 1,000 na lang. Kay Hinebra naman, ang kailangan niya ay 2,000. Edi paano yun? Sige. Since tayo po ay magkapatid, kahit 1,000 ang excess ko, sige, bigay ko na sa inyo ang 2,000. May loss nga lang akong 2,000. Sige. On the part of Ginebra, ano yung transfer price niya? Less than or equal to 18 pesos, which is the price or the purchase price sa third party. Class, hindi po nagbabago ang transfer price ng buying division. Kaya diyan ko nakikita kung nagkatsamba-tsamba lang ang mga bata. Kung nagbabago ang transfer price in the buying division. Ang nagbabago lang class usually kay selling division. How about kay Hinebra? Ano ang kanyang transfer price? Greater than or equal to the variable cost per unit plus your CM per unit to be multiplied by the loss units divided by your units transferred sa ating buying division. Kung magkano binigay mo. So transfer price niya is greater than or equal. Magkano yung variable cost? 8 and CM is 12. So ibig sabihin, ito po ay 8 pesos plus 12. Magkano ang loss units? Binigay mo lahat yung 2,000. 1,000 lang yung excess mo. Di may loss units ka ng 1,000. Diba? Divided by, magkano binigay mo lahat kay Hinebra? How much is the units? 2,000. So 12,000 divided by 2, I think 6, 6. Okay? So transfer price is 8 plus 6. So it's equal to 14. So transfer price mo ay 14 on the part of selling division. Kay Hinebra naman ay 18. Ano nga sabi ko kanina? Okay? The maximum value is always your buying division. Magkano yon? 18 pesos. Yung minimum value naman, always kay selling division. Magkano yon? 14. Meron ba tayong negotiated transfer price? Class? Hopefully, naintindihan niya. Yes. The transfer price is between 14 pesos to 18. Bit halfway tayo. Pwede ba 16? Paano kung ang usapan nila ay 16? Meron bang transfer price or papayag ba si San Miguel if it is 16 pesos? Yes. Sabi niya, i-accept ko lang siya if it is greater than or equal to 14. 16 pesos to. Kanina ganun din. I-accept ko siya at 8. 12 pesos yan. Sabi naman ni transfer price, 18 yan, 12. Makakatipid pa ako ng 6 pesos. Same as this. 18 pesos sa labas, 16 lang kay SMB. Papayag ba yung buying? Yes. Diba? Okay. Last tayo. Halimbawa, in number 3 scenario, SMB naman, dito class meron ha, there would be negotiated transfer price. Halimbawa, yung kanyang maximum capacity ay 4,000. Yung kanyang normal capacity ay 4,000 din. No capacity. Kaya lang syempre, since kapatid kita, okay lang, bibigay ko na lang sa'yo kahit magkalugi-lugi na ako. Okay. Hinebra naman, magkano kailangan niya? 2,000 na alcohol. O, sabi ko nga, magkapatid naman tayo. O sige, bibigay ko na yung 2,000. Lugi na ako. O, transfer price ko dito should be less than or equal to your purchase price. Kano nga yun? 18 pesos. Hindi po nagbabago ang transfer price ng buying division. How about kay SMB Incorporated? Ang transfer price niya should be greater than or equal to the variable cost per unit plus CM per unit to be multiplied by loss units divided by units transferred to buying division. So, transfer price is greater than, di ba, variable cost mo ay 8 pesos plus CM mo ay 12 na, tama. Then, loss units mo, binigay mo lahat. E di 2,000 divided by 2,000. Di ba sa algebra, mawawala to. 8 plus 12, transfer price mo ay 20 pesos. Kabila naman, ang transfer price mo ay 18. Dito class, meron ba tayong transfer price? Parang wala na, no? Kasi sabi ni San Miguel, no? I-accept ko lang siya if it is more than 20 pesos. Sabi naman ni buying division, i-accept ko siya if it is less than 18. There is no transfer price. Anong gagawin ni Hinebra? Pupunta na lang ako kay third party. Hindi yung kabit ha. Ito ay sa customer. Okay. Please remember this, no? In a transfer pricing, number one, if there if there excess capacity, okay, on the part of ano to ha, on the part of selling division, tandaan to ha, if there excess capacity, the selling division transfer price is equal to your variable cost per unit. Tingnan mo to, number one. Ano yung transfer price is 8 pesos. Di ba yung 8 pesos ay variable cost if there would be an excess capacity. Number two, if no capacity, ano po ang selling division transfer price? And that would be your selling price. If you notice, if there's no excess capacity, 8 plus 12 is 20. Ano yung 20? Di ba? Yan yung ating selling price. Yes. Tandaan po yan. No need to compute na. In the board exam, mas better, alam mo, para at least you can be able to answer already without computing. Again, if there an excess capacity, variable cost per unit on the part of selling is the transfer price. No, if no capacity naman, selling price is the transfer price without computing it. Walang problema on the part of buying division transfer price. Lagi po siyang purchase price. Kahit man yan no capacity, kahit man yan may excess capacity. So hopefully you understand more about transfer pricing. Thank you.